What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another video. First off, I apologize for not being consistent with my uploads. You know, these past 2 months have been really nuts with work and just life in general. And you know, I could be making a better effort to record some videos for you guys. I have a lot of parts that I have not installed just yet, just because of the fact that I've been so busy and caught up with life. But nonetheless, I wanted to just come online and just talk to all of you and just be real, and just say, hey, I'm still here. I'm going to be making more content coming up. The 440i, there's a lot of things that I want to do to it. You know, I'm even considering right now getting it to a point where I'm satisfied with the build, and then maybe even flipping it into something else. I don't know. What are your thoughts on that? Should I keep the 440i a little bit longer? You know, finish up these installs, maybe even tune it, track it, I don't know, or should I already be looking for my next project car? I don't know, those are thoughts that I'm thinking of. But nonetheless, I am so happy and grateful for all the support I've been getting from you guys. But yeah, guys, life has been nuts, you know, and I've been working a lot of hours at work. It's funny, over the summer, you'd think that you would be less busier, but for me in the type of field I am in, it's gotten amped up with some of my days, weeks, more to say, have been really filled with long work hours. Also, another update, we moved. My wife and I found ourselves a new place, and you know, so we're closer to our work, our commute was less, and yeah, guys, so that happened. And anyways, all I have to say is more content's gonna come out very shortly. Something more proper, not something that, like, you know, it's like this where I'm like very, you know, nothing of value, if you will, because there's nothing really that I can give to you right now. It's just a quick update of what's happening in my life. So forgive me for not including a DIY, but hey, I'm giving you a little glimpse of my life. I'm documenting what's going on. Someone that, you know, all of you are following and chose to look at my stuff. So
1 mile. Keep left. Eyes up.
Sorry, I'm using Waze, and it's kind of cool. I'm actually using Waze with the voice of Chief from Halo, so it's pretty cool. Anywho, guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for my new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, listen, man, I upload content. Well, still am. Regularly. I can't say that. Regularly, I upload content on a weekly, bi-weekly basis. Content featuring, you know, my 440i. It's a B58 motor. I had an N20 320 8i, similar motor to a 328, but basically all F chassis content is what you can find on this channel. But yeah, I drive a 440i. Look at the rest of my content. I've done a lot of modifications to this car. My next thing right now is to go to the track. So if you're new, hey, make sure you stay on the channel. Comment if you have any questions. I am very active in the comments. I haven't been in the past couple of weeks, but I will get onto it. So guys, thank you so much for the support. Thank you for the love. Thank you for all my new subscribers, and I will catch you very soon.